Welcome to All Things Abacus. My name is Miss Lynette. We are just going to be talking about abacus. That was the interesting thing. So I was looking at this one thing. You know what I've noticed is drinking from a cup is easier than drinking from a bottle. So like my water bottle is kind of big. And what I noticed that I've actually drank a lot more water from a cup because I like this motion of being able to drink as opposed to like something huge. It's kind of big. And so this is, I think, 32. This is like 32 ounces. And it's interesting, like that's what abacus does. Abacus makes math so much easier and makes it easy to digest. And so what we do is we break it.
I can't hear you, Lynette. I can't hear her. Her volume's down. She's muted.
Lynette, you're muted.
Oh, no. Okay. I have a problem. I have a problem.
I can hear you now.
Oh my God. I have an epiphany and everything. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is. Technical difficulties. How are you?
Yeah. Good. How are you?
I am very well.
So you're doing well? It's a little choppy.
No. Huh. I think.
I can hear you now.
Yeah. There's something going on with my mic. We'll see. All
Oh,
right.
really?
Yeah. I might be time to get a new mic. Yeah, it was pretty good. I was going through the questions that you had on the community. Did you hear me? Yeah. Okay. And so I was
Yeah, I
actually
did.
running through it, but you couldn't hear me. So hold on. Let me
Yeah.
see if I can. Oh, yeah. So was there a reason why we had it in different orders? Like, where did you get these numbers from?
Um, well, we're used to doing it in the same order that we normally do it, but then I put it in patterns where you're creating a 10.
You put it. Oh, is that? Oh, I see now. So that's a
Yep.
10, that's a 10, that's a 10.
Yes.
Ah, that's interesting.
That well, that's how Beast Academy did it.
Oh, to rearrange the question?
Yep. It was in a different order. I think it was in that order, the one that if you flip the paper over, you wrote it a different order, right?
Yeah, I wrote it in the order that, yeah, and I noticed that there's a mixed formula there.
Yeah. So instead of doing that, I did it in the order where you're making a 10. So
Oh,
you can
okay.
still practice making a 10
Yeah,
uh, that way. You could do it both this way and that way, but I specifically put it in the other order so that you're always making a 10.
right,
Because you're still using the abacus, you're still doing formulas,
right.
but and it was kind of like how you were doing that pattern with your
The
deny.
ladder,
Yeah,
the
but
abacus ladder.
yeah, the abacus ladder. And so I thought we can do it both ways to see what comes out. And then there are some other problems where they had simple sums where you have two different digits that will add up to 100. And in that it involved with the +9 in it. But
Yeah,
I'll
saw
look
that.
at that next time. Yeah.
That one?
Oh, that one's another good one to do.
Okay.
I would love to do that one too.
Okay.
And then the bottom one was another one that had
This is
that
the
one.
sequential. Yep. Yeah, this one
Yep.
is part of my sequential book. So we do this.
Oh, you do that one all the time. Okay. So
Yeah.
what do you think of the 99 plus 10 and then 20 and then 30?
It was okay. It was easy. So when we're doing it, right, we have 99 on the
Mhm.
abacus. And then we're doing the
Okay.
10, so plus the 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we do 99, so 90, and then 9. Plus the 10, minus the 1. Do you see that?
Oh yeah, can you go back? Oh wait, how'd you? Okay.
Too
Oh,
fast?
plus the 10. Okay. To go
Yeah.
back again, so we have 99.
Yep, 99. And then we're going to do this 9 right here. Plus 9 is equal to plus the 10 minus 1. I see I don't have enough room. So I'm going to do plus 1 is equal to plus the 10 minus 9.
Oh, and then you're still minusing the 1 from the plus
Yep.
the 9.
Yeah.
So would you minus the 1 first and then do?
You could. It's up to you. It depends on how strong you are in your reverse. It depends on how strong you are doing it this way.
I think minusing the 1 and then going back and doing plus the 10 minus, well, plus the 1 minus the 9. Just kind of, yeah.
Well, see,
I got stuck.
You get to a point where you do it enough times, you could see it. I just know that I'm going to do this.
Yes.
Right? So I don't even think about it. I just know to move the beads. I don't verbally think about this anymore. I just know that this is what I'm going to do. So to me, it doesn't matter if I'm going to, because
oh, you muffled again.
okay. So
there you go.
Thank you.
You're so
So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with my mic. I might actually have to get a new mic.
Yep, you might have to.
Huh?
You might have to.
Yeah. So that's the difference, right? The difference is I know this backwards and forwards, right? I know that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, mic troubles. Are you doing the 99 plus the 20 then after that? Because that's what it looks like. It's the 20 plus the 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, where's the 99 then? Oh, there's the 99. Are you doing them individually? Because I can't hear you anymore. So you have 90, pardon?
Let's do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay. So 99
Mm-hmm.
and then 10,
Yeah,
right?
90,
And then
99.
99 and then add the 9 here, plus the 10 minus the 1.
Okay,
All right. So then we're here. 20.
okay.
Okay. And then
Then
do
then we
99.
add the 99. So the
9,
99,
9.
so 9 is plus the 10 minus the 1.
Yep.
And then you have 9 is plus the 10 minus the 1. So you'll get 300. Oh, nope.
What'd you get?
Okay, yeah, we'll have to do it. So that's 322. That's the answer.
I didn't get 22.
Oh, 27.
27. Thank you.
327. Okay,
Yeah.
now we add the 30. So add
Yeah.
the 30 is plus the 5 minus the 2.
Yeah.
Now we're going to add the 99.
Right.
So the 99 plus the 9, you don't have enough beads. So plus the 10 minus the 1, which means minus the 5 plus the 4,
Right.
plus the 9 is plus the 10
Minus the 1.
yeah, minus the 1. Oh, wow, you just like rolled that down.
40.
40 is, oh man. Oh, yeah, there's
That's
4.
4.
0.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then
And now
add 99 again.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so 9 plus the
So
9.
this 9, right?
Is,
This plus the 10 minus the 1.
is plus the 10 minus 1. And then we have 9.
This 9 plus
That
the
9.
10 minus the 1.
Yep.
And then 50.
Oh, and
Plus
then
the 10.
50? 10 minus the 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to have to practice that for a little while. You have it down, Pat. I'm a little slow.
Well, it's all about practice.
Yep. That's why I
So,
like it.
yeah,
I
it's
think
really, it's nice. Yeah. I think for me, I get confused if there's too many nines, like I don't know which 9 I'm on. So when I do it, like I do a long list, I use the abacus to tell me where I'm at. So I'll do that.
Mhm.
So I line it up and I use my abacus to help me line up which number I'm on.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
But that's a good practice. I probably would break it up and then
Why?
maybe add
Add what?
oh, like just like do 99 plus 10, 99 plus 20, 99 plus 30. Practice that in a couple of times. Then we'll add a 40, 50, and a 60.
You know what I did? I would put like a running total next to it or over here. Keep a running total at each line.
Okay.
At each line, put a running total. Because if you break it up, that's fine, but then you don't practice doing it longer. Trust yourself.
Okay.
So that's what I would do. And then if you mess up, then you just go back 1.
Oh, okay. Well, let's try
You
it.
want to try it? All right.
Yeah, I want to try it.
Do I need a new piece of paper?
Yes. Well, no.
I could do it on the side like this.
Yeah, do it on the side like that. Okay. We'll write the running total on that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we do 99.
Okay, 99.
Right.
Plus 10.
Plus 10. plus the 10 minus the 1, right? So our answer is 109.
Oh, see, that's where I messed up. Okay, so you have 99 plus 10, so plus 10 is, no, it's plus the 1, which is plus the 10 minus the 9. And then, so you have 109, correct?
Right.
Yep,
And
there
I
you
would
go.
put it on the same line here. That's what I do. I don't put it down
Okay.
here and then add it here. It's up to you
Oh,
how you want to add it.
So every other, okay, go ahead. Okay, so then we're gonna add 99
So I add
plus,
the 9.
plus,
So I added this one. And I add this 9.
plus the 10
Plus the 10 minus the 1. So our answer becomes
minus the 1.
208.
208, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're adding
20.
20.
So
So
this
just add
becomes
20. 220 to 228. Yep.
Okay.
Then
So
9
then add the 9. Add the 9.
is
3, 2, 7.
plus the 10 minus the 1. And then add the 9 is plus the 10 minus the 1. So 3, 2, 7. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Add the 3.
Now we're gonna add the 3 is plus the 5 minus 2. So it's 3, 5, 7.
Yep. 3, 5, 7.
Yep. Now
And
we're
then?
going to add the 99. So plus the 9 is plus
the
the
10 minus the 1. And then
4,
this 9.
9.
This 9. Plus the 10 minus the 1.
Plus 10. Okay, that's a doozer, man. Because first you have to put it up, then you put it back down.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
4, 5, 6. Yep.
Mm-hmm. All right, then we add
40.
40.
So
So
we
that's
have
the 4.
Yep.
4, 9, 6.
And then
The 99. So plus the 9 is,
plus the 10.
yeah. And then we add the 9, we add the 9 again, which is, oh, see, that's where I mess up. I get a
See?
little lost.
Yeah. So you take it slow. So then your answer is what? 5, 9, 5.
Well, I still have to add the 9. And adding the 9 is plus the 10 minus the 1 plus the 10 plus the 1 is plus the 1 minus the 9. So you should get 6,
No.
0, 5.
Oh, yeah. Yes. So 6. How do you get 6? 0. What?
That's where I messed up. So
we
I'll
do,
go back
so
and
go
put
back.
496.
Yeah. So go back to 4, 9, 6.
4, 9, 6.
See?
Okay, so
Easy.
we're adding
99.
We're adding 99. Okay,
So add this 9 right here. What is it?
What
Plus
that
9
9 is plus the 10
minus
minus the 1.
plus 10 can't do it. What do? Plus 10 is equal to plus the 5 minus 4.
Minus the
Plus
4.
the 5 minus 4 and then minus the 1.
Yep, I minus the 1 right away. Then you go
Now
over.
we do this 9 over here.
Plus the 9
Plus the 10
is plus 10 minus the
1.
1. So you get 595.
Yes.
There we go. Okay.
And
It's
then?
remembering, because what's tripping me up is that I have to go back and I have to do my problem in the going over a column. And then when I go to the next column, I'm realizing that so that's kind of where I'm getting mixed up because there's so
Yeah.
many fixings.
There's
So
a lot of
'cause-
like back and forth.
Yeah. So how come I'm having struggling it with this? Is because we're repetitively adding a 99 or what? Because it's
Yes.
practicing your 9 quite a bit.
Yeah, you're practicing the 9 and it's the different variations of the 9 that you're kind of messing up on.
Yeah, so what would you recommend?
I would recommend,
Because that 10 right there changes to plus the 1 is minus the 9 plus the 10. Because that's the other part of the formula that's in there too.
wait, say that again.
We got the plus the 9 is plus the 10 minus the 1, but then
Yeah.
when we have all the 9s there and you have to plus the 1 is minus the 9 plus the 10.
Oh, right.
Right? So there's that and so it's tripping me up with the that's what's tripping me up. And that's why I got the wrong answer that time. But I have 595, so we add 50. 5 is plus the 10 minus the 5.
Yep. And
you
your
don't have
answer
to add.
is?
My answer is 645.
Yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh. That's what I got.
Yeah, that was tripping me up because the other formula that we have to have is the plus the 1
Right.
is minus
How
the
would
9.
Honestly, I think it's just more practice. Because you don't get a lot of questions that will push you to the next stage.
Oh, okay. Is there someone asking a question on the chat?
Is there? No.
Oh, just me. Okay, you're saying the reason why I'm tripping up is because you don't get a lot of practice. So this is a good problem to do repeatedly then.
Yeah. So then I think maybe, yeah, because I don't think I focused in. So like this one right here, this is talking about chaining. I didn't focus in on the plus the ones. Yeah, I didn't focus in on, I just added up, I just did the numbers, right? Like, because I'm thinking by this time the formulas should be pretty fluid.
Right.
That's what I'm thinking. But if
Is this the
be,
third book?
yeah,
Is that the third book?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah.
So the numbers get bigger.
Oh, they sure do. We'll have to do one of those.
Maybe we could do it now. We did do a couple of them. Yeah. This was my first time trying without any answer keys, and you have to sign up to get the answer keys. It's free, but you just have to sign up for it. So we'll see. We could do this one. You want to do that one? So 617.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little blurry. It's not clear.
How's that? Wait, hold on.
Now it is.
Wait, hold on. Is that better?
Yeah, a little bit better.
Yeah. So 617.
Yeah.
And then we have 682.
6 plus the 1 minus the 5.
Yep. Plus the 1 minus the 4. Minus the 4.
Mi-
Do it. What do you do?
Okay, minus the 5 plus the 1.
Yep. And then 8.
And 8 is just 8.
Good. And then 2.
And then 2 is just 2.
Yep. So then
Okay.
take away 959.
Oh,
Take away
take 9. Okay, so you can't minus the 9. You have to minus 9 is minus the 10 plus the 1.
Minus the 5.
Okay. Then minus the 5 is minus the 5.
And then minus 9.
And then minus the 9.
And then
Yep.
200.
And then minus, so
minus 200.
2
Minus 8.
minus 8 is minus the 10
Plus the 2.
plus the 2 plus the 2 is plus the 5 minus the 3.
And then
And then
minus
you
9.
have minus 9. Minus 9 is minus the 10 plus 1. So your answer is, oh, wow. All right, 51.
Yep. That's what I got.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then you go to the next page and you color in 51.
Oh, oh, really?
Yeah. That's how.
Oh,
So
let's do another one.
we did this one, right?
Yeah, you did that one.
1. So ideally, trace, right? And then color it in.
Oh,
Then-
okay.
Yeah, they're not in order. So this is not 52.
Oh,
I don't remember what my picture is.
okay. Well, that's okay. Can we do the 722 plus 675? So go over to the left.
722
Yeah,
down
Go-
here.
yes, that's it. Let's try that one.
Okay.
22.
Okay. 722.
Mm-hmm.
722.
Okay.
Add the 6.
Add the 6 plus the 10 minus the 4.
Add the 7. Add the 5.
Add the 7 and add the 5. Yeah.
What do you have?
I have 1397.
Yep. And then we have take away 992.
Minus the 9 is minus the 10 plus the 1. Minus the 9 is minus, whoa. No, I just minus the 9.
Yep.
Ah, that's minus 9.
And then minus the 2.
Minus the 2. Okay.
Now minus 342.
Minus the 3. Minus the 4 is minus the 10 plus the 6.
No. Minus the 3.
What?
Oh, I'm wrong. Minus the 3. Got it. Sorry. You're right. Minus the 3, minus the 4, and then
Yeah.
minus the 2.
Minus the 2 is minus the 5 plus the 3.
Yep. Sorry, my bad.
I'm like, what?
Because I did minus the 3 is minus the 10 plus the 7. Okay. So what is your answer?
63.
Yeah. So I have 63 as well. So this becomes 63. So then I look for 63. That's it. But yeah, that's this book here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I think I like getting the books.
Yeah. Yeah. It's nice. And then what you do is you break it apart though. Or do you keep the books
there-
as it is?
well, okay, so I know that I get color on mine, but
Yeah.
really, I'm just having a hard time keeping track of paper. And so
Yeah.
having a book versus it just unless I turn it into a book myself, but that,
Yeah.
so it's not, I think I just having contained in one thing, because that's just one of my battles. It's keeping things contained in one place.
Yeah. Yeah. Even if you put it in a binder, I feel like it's tough.
Yeah. See,
Yeah.
that's, and then you just grab the book and
Yep. And it's all there and it doesn't matter if it falls because it all stays together.
it stays all together. But okay, I'll have to tell you this much. I enjoy doing that better than I enjoy doing the 99 plus 10, 99 plus 20, 99 plus 39.
Yeah.
But that is teaching you more about the 9.
Yeah. You're very focused and that's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing. Like for these ones, I was focused on the chaining equations. So if you notice, what I have is the chaining equations of the 6, 7, 8s, and 9s. That's what book 3 is. Book 3 is all about chaining, and it just happens to be bigger numbers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
This whole book is all about chaining. So yeah, even the 999 would fit into the chaining, but this is very specific to what you're trying to do. Just like my ladder.
Mm-hmm. So you created that one ladder then?
I created it, I just haven't published it. Yeah, so like I have it for the plus 9s and the plus 8s.
Okay.
And so, and then you can choose any number and then you just add 9. I didn't do double digits because it gets confusing. I just did the single digits because this was supposed to be between book 2 and book 3.
Okay.
Because in book 2 of the second grade, you're introduced the plus 10s, right?
Okay.
And in the plus 10s, there's 2 sets of formulas for how to add 1,
Yes, they are.
right? So
Yep.
when we add the 1, it's either plus 1 is equal to plus the 5 minus 4, or it's plus 1 is equal to plus the 10 minus 9,
Yes.
right? The second one, and that's what we do here. And that's what we do here. You have to tell me what the 2 formulas are. And then you go through repeated addition, figuring out which one you use. 1 is not as fun. You want to do 7? You want to do 4 again? We can do 3.
Okay,
I
let's
don't
do
think
3.
so. Pick a small number so that it doesn't get too big. But what's the 2 formulas to add 3?
Plus the 3 is plus the 5 minus the 2.
Yeah. So plus 3 is equal to plus the 5 minus 2. And then what's this one? Another way to plus 3 is?
Plus the 10 minus the 7.
Yeah. So if we added 1 here,
Mm-hmm.
easy. 1 and then 3. There's no formula, so we leave it. So the answer becomes 4. So then we add 3 again.
So now you have a formula,
Yeah.
which
So
is
now,
go ahead.
which one do we do? That's where this becomes. Is there enough beads to add 3? Yes or no?
No.
So then can you add the 5? Yes.
Yes.
Let's add the 5 plus the 5 minus the 2. So we have to write it. Plus 3 equals.
Oh, your mic's a little off again. Okay.
Just got to reset it. Okay. I'll take a look at it after this, but so we have 7 and then plus the 3.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So here you have to determine, is there enough to add 3? No.
No.
Can you add the 5? No.
No, because it's used.
You have to use the 7. You have to use the 10. So we know plus the 10 minus the 7. Becomes 10. Right?
Okay, yep. And you can add the 3. So
And
there's
then
no
add
formula.
the 3 is 13. And then add the 3 again. Is there enough? Then we go back. Is there enough to add 3? No.
No.
Can you add 5? Yes.
Yes.
So plus the 5 minus the 2.
Mm-hmm.
So my answer becomes 16. So we go back again. Is there enough to add 3? Yes? Yeah.
Yes.
Add the 3. Right? So then our answer becomes 19.
19.
So now we're here. And then you have to ask again. Is there enough to add 3? No. Can you add 5? No. So then you have to plus the 10.
Minus the 7.
Yeah. Plus the 10 minus the 7. So answer becomes 22. Do it again.
Almost every other one.
Yeah, you get to see a pattern.
Almost.
Yeah,
Well,
you get to
22,
see a pattern.
Well, almost.
Yeah.
So,
So 22 plus 3. Is there enough to add 3? No.
No.
Can you add 5? Yes.
Yes.
Plus the 5 minus the 2. Answer is 25.
5.
So this is where we get into critical thinking, right? So, because we're trying to break it down. Is there enough to add 3? Yes.
Yes. 28.
28. Do it again. Can we add 3? Yes.
No.
No. Can we add 5?
No.
Okay. So we have to add 10 plus the 10 minus the 7. So the answer becomes 30.
31.
Yep.
So you would start out small, but then you can go back. Let's say we change the number from a 1 to.
You can make it to like 468. It's up to you.
So like we could change it to
468. You could do that.
So if I was doing it with Abram, once he's done that, then what would I like have him choose a number between 1 and 10?
Yeah, you could do. You can have him choose a number from 1 to 10, or you can have him choose a number from like 1 to 100 or whatever. But the idea here is only do the one number. Only add the 3 at any given time. Don't do 33, because then it gets really confusing. Don't do. Yeah.
Are you talking about where you put it, fill in the blank? Don't do 33?
No. Right here. When it says plus 3, don't do plus 33.
Okay. Yes.
Right. Because then you get into real complicated, because what I wanted, this one was meant to be very focused of understanding when do you use the 2 equations.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then here, right? And then you're just adding to the ones place. So it doesn't matter if it's bigger numbers or smaller numbers. You could even do 48. You could even do 48, add 3.
Okay, let's do 48.
Oh, okay.
Let's do 48. You have 4
Right.
and you have 8. Okay. You don't have enough beads to add the 3. You've already used the 5, so you have to plus the 10. So
Yep.
plus the 10, plus the 3 is plus the 10 minus the 7. So I'm going to minus my 7. And I'm going to add my 1. Plus the 5, minus the 1.
Yep. And that becomes 51. And you just keep going.
Oh, I did that wrong.
You did it?
Plus the 1 is plus the 5 minus the 4.
Yeah.
That's
did
what
you
I
do?
messed up on.
What
Then
did you
that's
do?
it. I don't know, but that's the formula that needs to go is plus the no. Yeah, I did a different formula there.
Plus 1 is equal to plus the 5
Minus the 4.
Yeah.
Now, would that go on that same column or would it wouldn't go on this? So you had 2
It would still be on this line
Aha.
because this is the line for the plus 3.
Okay. And so this is the in-between change. So this kind of changed things. So
Yeah. So it
51
depends on the number. Yeah, but it all depends on the number that you pick.
Yeah, I like this.
Right. So
51.
yeah, it's the flexibility for the it's the flexibility. Yeah. So 51 plus 3, there's enough. So add 3.
54.
54.
Plus the 3. Do I have enough beads? No. Can I use the 5? Yes. So plus the 3 is plus the 5 minus 2. So that's the formula you would write. And that will give you 57.
Yeah.
Plus the 3. Do I have enough beads to, I don't have enough beads. Can I use the 5? No. I have to use the 10. So plus the 3 is plus the 10 minus the 7. So you get 60. Plus the 3, you can add the 3. There's no formula in that. That's a simple.
Yeah.
Plus the 3. Do I have enough beads? I do not. Can I use the 5? I can. So plus the 5 minus the 2, so it gives you 66. So plus the 3 is plus the 5 minus the 2. And then 66 plus 3, that's 69. Then 69 plus the 3. Do I have enough beads to use the 3? No. Can I use the 5? No, because it's being used. So plus the 10 is plus the 3 is plus the 10 minus the 7. So now you get 72. And then plus the 3. I don't have enough beads to do the 3. Can I use the 5? Yes. So plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2. And that gives you 75. Oh,
Can you add 3 again?
and add the 3.
Yeah. So the answer becomes 78.
Huh.
Yep. That's my activity.
Huh, I like that.
Thanks.
So what does your other book look like then? The one that you did, this is your dry eraser, but what is your
The printed book will have predetermined numbers.
oh, you don't have it out yet?
Not yet. Not yet. I'm finishing up formatting the multiplication book.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just need to format it, figure out my cover, and then I will be publishing that.
Okay, and that's the one that has the multiplying the 9s, which one is that one?
Yeah, that's the one multiplying the 9s. Oh, that's
Oh.
great. That's great, Mary. Mary says I was able to follow.
Oh, she was able to follow?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I almost like the dry eraser. Just
Well, because you have your choice, but I can't provide dry erase when I publish. You can, if you want the dry erase, you can only get it from my website.
oh, from your website.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
that would be hard to.
it can't go, I can't go international.
Oh, because of the expense.
Yeah.
I see.
Mhm.
I see. I see.
So
What?
it's just easier if I predetermined it, it's going to be 100 pages. It's going to be going to be a book of 100 pages. And so it'd be like all the plus threes, the minus threes, plus twos, minus twos, and then and it'll be got in, you know, it's just predetermined numbers.
Oh,
But you got to do it
what?
again for the minus threes.
So, what would you recommend?
What do you mean?
Would you recommend both, or?
No, I wouldn't recommend both. If you're in the States and you want to purchase from me, you can purchase the dry erase. If you're not, if you like a book form and you don't want to think about like the number up here, you can buy the book. If you're international, because you know Amazon is international, you can buy the book from because I have people that are in like France and Britain and Africa and all this place, so they can just purchase the predetermined, and this would be more like a warm-up. This is a warm-up page, so this is not meant for you to like go through the book like this is meant for like do this first, a warm-up, and then carry on with your lesson.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
So it's completely up to you. And if you wanted the flexibility of choosing your own numbers, you could do it. Or if you want the predetermined numbers, you can get that too.
So the predetermined numbers, it's just going to look exactly like this. It's just that it's going to start with a number at the top.
Exactly. And I did numbers from one. So when I'm adding, I did numbers from 1 to 9 for each number. So you have practice. And then when I did the subtraction, I did 99 to 91.
Oh,
Because if I didn't start at 99, you'd get into negatives.
oh, so you started at the highest number when you're subtracting.
Well, yeah.
Makes
Yeah.
sense.
Get the laminate done at your local office supply store. You can you have that option, because you're gonna get this. You're gonna get you can either buy the dry erase from me, or you can just download the thing as
So
an ebook.
now my question, yours, do you just have like a little plastic in between each page? Is that what you have as this laminate? Or is it actually fully laminated?
It's fully laminated.
Oh,
Mine's fully laminated, and this is I printed double-sided. And so I have it where there's the workflow in the front, and then I have like I have the individual numbers. That's it.
huh.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's up to you.
How much is this one?
I think let me check. I don't know. I have to check. I'm sorry. I don't. It would be 22, but that's not including shipping. So you would have to you'd be paying for shipping.
Oh, how much is the shipping?
I don't know. I usually, depending on who it is. So I think for you, I think it goes out to like $10. I think it's $10. I think it did $10 for shipping. So it'd be 20, it'd be 32.50.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, thanks.
I like it. I think, yeah.
For the other book, this book. Yeah.
That one,
Mary just mentioned for laminate can be done at your office supply store for the other book. I'm not sure which book. So that was one of the so this is going to be, yeah, or you can purchase that's predetermined, and then you're just, yeah. It would be 100 pages, and then for here, see like the +8, if I did -8, you'd get into the negative. So that's why I did like 99.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So I do 99 -8, 90, you know, and so forth.
So on the minuses, it's always going to be a 99.
Something like that. Yeah. It's like a big number.
Okay.
But again, the difference between the two is there's the +10 formula. So what's the -10 formula? -8 equals -10 plus 2. But here it says, what's the formula for +5? Why? It's because of the +2. +2 is equal to plus the 5 minus 3.
Minus.
Yeah.
Do you actually end up using that?
Yes. You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, this will be the last one. We're gonna head out.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 99. It'll be the easiest. Right? It's fun. It's fun when you get the hang of it. Right? Take away 8, we can do it, right?
90.
So take away 8 again.
Minus the 8 is minus the 10 plus the 2.
Well, this is where can you take away? No.
Oh,
So then we go.
Okay, hold on.
Minus the 10 is equal to minus 8 is equal to minus the 10 plus the 2. So we minus the 10. Can we plus the 2? Yes. Right? So minus 8 equals minus.
Oh, I can't hear you again. Sorry.
No. I don't apologize. Thank you for letting me know.
Yep.
So 83 minus 8. Minus 8 minus the 10 plus the 2. Minus the 10 plus the 2. Plus 2 plus 5 minus 3.
So what are you asking there, right there? So it says, can you subtract the 10?
Where? Oh yeah. Can you subtract the 10? Is there enough to subtract, and then plus 2? Is there enough beads? Yes? Then
is there enough beads to add the 2? Okay.
Yeah. If there's not, then add the 5 bead.
Okay, that's where we're at because we don't have enough to add the 2. So we have to add the 5 and subtract a 3.
Yep.
Okay, so there we go with that. Okay. Now minus the 8.
Minus 8. What do you do? Minus the 10.
Minus the 10.
Can you take away, I'm sorry, can you take away 8? No.
No.
So minus the 10 plus the 2.
So minus the 10 plus the 2. Okay, 67 minus 8 is plus the 10 minus the 2.
Minus the 10 plus the 2. Minus the 10 plus the 2.
Oh, okay, so then you're getting 79.
59. We have to minus the 10. We have to minus the 10 because we're taking away 8.
How did I get 60? Oh my gosh!
You got it because you're plussing the 10. You have to minus the 10.
Oh!
Go back to 67.
Okay, I'll go back to 67. Wow. Okay. Okay.
See, you have to pay attention to what you're saying. Because now you're getting to a point where you're rhythmically adding 10, but you should be minusing the 10.
Okay. Yes, because you're minusing, it's because you're minusing 8. Okay, so 67 minus 8. Do I have enough beads to minus 8? I do not. I have to minus the 10. So that's where you minus the 5 plus the 4.
What? No. 67. 67 minus the 10 plus the 2. minus the 10 plus the 2, minus the 10 plus the 2.
Yep. Yep, I got 59.
Okay, good. 59, and then take away 8.
Yep, 51. Maybe
Take
I
away
need to
8
think
again.
for myself. I need this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Minus 51. Minus 8. How do you
Right.
take away 8? Minus 8 is equal to minus the 10 plus the 2. Minus the 10 plus the 2. Minus the 10. Minus the 10.
Is minus the 1.
Yeah. Minus the 1 plus the 4.
So
And
you
then plus the 2.
Yep, so you get 40. And that goes on the same line. But so that minus the 4, minus the 5 plus the 4, that's the first time you've used that formula.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that up there in the
No.
box?
No, because I'm not focusing on the 10. I'm focusing on the 8.
Okay.
This right here, you should know, because the beginning of the book, we talk about minus ones. So the beginning of the book, we talk about minus ones.
Okay.
So I didn't count for this because I don't know what number you're going to do here.
I see.
Right?
That's what makes it very versatile. Oh.
Yeah. So depending on what number you're at. So we have 43.
43.
43.
So 43 minus the 8. Minus the 8 is minus the 10 plus the 2.
Yeah.
Plus,
Minus the 10 plus the 2. Plus 2 is what?
plus the 5 minus the 3.
Yep. So answer becomes 35.
35.
Mhm.
35 minus 8 is minus
Minus
the
the
10 plus the 2.
Yep.
So then you get 27.
Mhm.
And then minus the 8 is minus the 10 plus the 2. And you get 29. I mean, no, you get 19.
Yeah. But then because you do this, you start seeing the pattern. 99, 91, 83, 75, 67, 59. 59, 99. Do you see that? Now it repeats. So 91, 51, 43, 83, 35, 75.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
just a pattern.
it is.
Yep.
Wow.
It's interesting when you do repeated addition. This repeated addition is the precursor to multiplication.
Okay. How is it the precursor?
Because what is repeated addition? Multiplication is repeated addition, just fast adding.
Okay. So you would say this is still precursor even though you're subtracting?
Yes, because you got to do repeated subtraction for division. Understand that you're subtracting from what you have.
Okay. All right. All right. I get it. I get it. Okay. Okay.
So that's it. Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. This is something like, yeah, I'm pretty happy about. I'm excited about this one.
Okay. So you have that in your shop right now, or it's going to be in your shop?
It's going to be in my shop.
Okay.
It's going to be in my shop because I have been lagging on putting my books, physical books that you can buy from my website, because remember I did the whole switcheroo on the platform. So I'm just kind of slow on uploading
Okay.
all the physical books for my website.
So right now you can get the second grade one, book 2, book 3.
Those are ebooks, which you already have.
Oh, you did turn those into ebooks. Okay.
Yeah, but you already have those.
I have those. Yeah, I
So
have
it'd be exactly the same.
Okay.
This one here, if you wanted the dry erase, or I was going to put it into the online class as well. This would be like a supplemental.
Okay.
So it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to get it from the online class or if you want to purchase it.
I think what I will do is I'll do the dry eraser one. I'll order it. And then I'll continue to, yeah, I'll order the dry eraser, but if you're putting the other one where it has a predetermined number, then I'll just do it from there.
Huh? Say that again.
So the dry eraser, I would
Yeah.
order from your
Yeah.
store.
Yeah.
And if you're putting the ladder in the
in the online. Yeah.
I'll just print it from there.
Okay. Yeah.
But I think my goal is to just yeah, so that he can choose if he wants something determined or if he wants to pick a number. But there's just something about that dry eraser.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because maybe I'm getting that dry eraser for myself because I was messing up a lot today. So. Oh no, can't hear ya.
All right. I gotta get. But thank you. I do appreciate the help. But yeah, not calling you out. But yeah, I like it. It's one of those things like this actually spawned only because I was doing multiplication. And then because like I even when I was teaching this back in the day without my workbooks, the kids would always get confused and I couldn't figure out how to get them to know. But because I started like expanding more on the multiplication, I realized it'd be just best to be able, it's also part of, you know what? It's also skip counting. So what we're doing is we're skip counting as well.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So this feeds into a lot of like different strategies that mainstream math does, which is interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
But it still focuses on figuring out the different formulas. And because it's so, yeah, I think that's the interesting thing about like building out books to really try to explain what's going through my head.
I like it.
Thanks. It's an interesting journey. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a very interesting journey how to, because like if you take a look at my preschool book, the first book that I ever wrote had very limited instructions. And then as I go through building out my books, I realize I have to be more and more explicit. And I'm like, I do enjoy this journey of being more explicit when I write it all down. And because I do that, then I have like activities and I have like other concepts to be able to solidify what the problems are.
How's the division book coming?
I have to finish the multiplication book.
Okay.
I have parts of the division book, but the multiplication book is still, that's the priority. And then the next priority would be the two-way, which would be just simple formatting. And then after that would be the two-step minus. I got to finish that. Once I finish that, then I can start working on the division book.
Oh, okay.
Because the multiplication, because my multiplication, the 9 times table is also including the division as well.
What?
What do you mean? It's right here. I showed you. Hold on. Let me. So I kind of like, I did a couple of more add-ins, which is kind of nice. I like it. Let's see if this works. Okay, so there we go. Share this. Okay, so yeah, we talked about division, right? And then this is like page 13, and we start figuring out the different ways of dividing into equal groups.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And so,
Well, this is your simple division.
yeah, it's simple division. So, but I need them to know the difference. I need them to know all of the multiplication and the division. So then I have this ladder that I really like. And this one. So this is the times table ladder. So 9 times table pattern. I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. But that's why I labeled it. And then I did again for division.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, it is minus the 9.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
take away the 9, but you have to pay attention. Sometimes it says minus the 9, sometimes it says plus the 9. So you have to pay attention.
Oh.
Right? Like this one is all plus 9s. This is all, but we're dividing it even though we're adding it. So this is where you get really flexible of what we're trying to do. This is the precursor of the division that we are doing right now for adults.
Okay, every time the quotient goes up by 1. Okay. I was starting to read the page there, but okay. Wow, okay.
Is this available online? Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. This is my multiplication book for the 9 times table. I just got to format it and then create my book cover, and then I'll publish it. And then you're going to get it on the in the online class. So I really like it. And then obviously I have back here. So then back here, what I wanted to do is I want to make sure that they write out the 2 different ways of dividing. Because I think that 2 different ways of multiplying is kind of redundant. So like this one right here, plus, so this one here, I don't know if you remember, but find the answer to this. 54 minus 9 is 45. So 45, they need to know the math fact to get 45. Math fact of 45 is 5 times 9. And then you have to do the related division equation. The related division equation is 45 divided by 9. Yeah. Or the other way, 45 divided by 5. So this is a doozy because because 9 times table is pretty big.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But because of that one question that we got, I've made a full-blown workbook out of it.
I do have one question.
Sure.
With the division, when you're showing the division part, how big is it when you're showing that that symbol for the division?
This right here?
Yes.
How big is it? What do you mean?
I see. I'm just wondering. No, I think I'll be fine. So
what do you mean?
Every once in a while, I couldn't tell whether if it was just a subtraction or if it was division. So I'm wondering if.
I don't have a lot of division symbols. You're actually going to be doing it. So like this is repeated subtraction.
hold on. So here, this is not dividing. This is repeated subtraction. So
Yep.
you're subtracting 9, take away 1, 8, take away 1, 7, take away 1. This is the division sign. This is the only time you do division. When I do division, you're writing it out. So when you go into the mazes, you're going to write out the division sign.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
That makes sense then.
So, yeah. So these, you're going to write it out. I'm not writing it out. So you
Okay.
need, yeah. I don't have a dividing.
Oh, yeah, you says write the relative division.
Yeah, you write the relative division. I didn't do a division. I didn't do a division one. I just did multiplication.
Okay.
I think that's fine.
So you're saying that the nines, the multiplication probably be out in a couple of weeks or next month or something like that?
No, I'm hoping to publish it today or tomorrow. And then it will take about a couple of weeks for me to get the actual physical book.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But if you're thinking about purchasing it, I can, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then there'll be answers in the back.
Oh, they are going to be answers. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this one, there are going to be answers in the back. I think I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of exercises here.
Oh, maze R?
Yeah. No, maze. No, we go double digits. We go like
Oh,
maze I.
I.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow. Yeah. Thank you for the answers at the back of the book.
yeah.
Especially those ones when they're doing the, repeated subtraction.
Yeah. So that's what this is. And so you see that the answers is repeated subtraction here.
Okay.
Oh, will you make a dry erase book for multiplication and division? I don't know. What would be, I would have to think about it. What would be like this? Would this be a multiplication? I don't know. I would have to think about the dry erase for multiplication and division.
That part would seem like very,
Yeah.
not this. I don't know about.
Yeah, I would have to think about it because most of so here's my guidelines of when I build my books. I try to make my books that I publish about 100 pages. But the dry erase, I try to make it about 20 pages, like less than 20. Because the problem is if it gets too big or gets too heavy, then that's shipping that we have to pay. So I don't want to make the dry erase book too heavy, if that makes sense. I'll have to think about it. Huh?
Plus the dry erase book is practicing and noticing the difference of which formulas you're using. This is talking about a specific problem that you're doing. So
I could probably do something like this where because when I do a dry erase, I want it to be versatile. So here I probably give you like a grid and then you can figure out what are the two ways to draw the erase. Maybe. I don't know. I have to think about it a little bit more. It takes me a while to figure out like a dry erase. Like I don't have everything is not a dry erase for me. I know some people they're like, I'm just gonna dry erase everything. And I'm like, for me, when I do my dry erase, I want it to be a little bit more versatile. There are other people that just like, it's the same thing over and over again. And I'm like, I like, so like, that's why I built out like so like I have a dry erase for the preschool one. I don't know if, but I still feel like it's pretty versatile. Because it's a lot about tracing and the goal here is to get them to practice. right, to practice their tracing. And so there's a little bit of flexibility. Just like adding or subtracting 3, 5, 8, it helps with the repetitive ways of getting the answers. Yeah, I'd have to really think about like different ways of multiplying. Yeah, I'd have to think about it. So, uh, yeah, thank you, Mary. I'll think about it some more. It does take a little bit. Oops. It does take a little bit for me to like make it interesting. So just like adding, yeah, I'll have to think about it. It helps with the repeated ways of getting answers. Yeah, if I can figure it out. Okay. Oopsies. Maybe it'll be like all of the numbers, not just the 9 times table. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I have to think about it some more. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm on my way to like 100 books. I'm like I'm book 28 now. This 9 times table will be book 28. Yeah. So, but that's what I got. If there's any other questions, let me know. Yeah, I gotta cut out my I have to redo the video on this because I like before you came on board, yeah, I was just muted, I guess.
Yeah,
All right.
it's all good.
Yeah, you're all right?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, not a problem, Lisa. Not a problem, Mary. Thank you again. And again, for Mary, if you're interested in something more, if you're interested in more support, you can get the Zoom link and be more real time, but it's completely up to you. Yeah, and that would be a membership of $20 a month. It also includes the online videos, and the videos also includes the printables. And I try to make sure that all of my books are inside the online classes. I think I've figured out a better way to organize it. Amazing work. Oh, thank you so much, Mary. I appreciate that. But yeah, I do have a few more people. I don't know if you've seen that, Elisa. There was a couple more people that joined the membership.
Yes.
Trying to figure out how to get more engagement, but I haven't heard anything, and I hope it's working out for everybody.
Yeah, I wish other people would ask questions.
Yeah.
I ask questions, so I don't do it all the time, but I do it.
Yeah, I appreciate it. And then I used your questions as part of a little jumping off point for here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but you couldn't hear me.
Oh yeah. Oh, no, I couldn't. I didn't know
So,
that's what you were doing in the beginning. Okay.
yeah.
No, and I had joined on about 10 minutes later, so.
Yeah, so I need to like cut out all that stuff. So it is what it is.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yep, you're so welcome. Hey, thank you. Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.